So, hello, dosto. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. Back once again with another interesting set of guests, another interesting episode to talk about this lovely musical series called Aakhri Mulaqat. I have with me the lovely Suyash and the lovely Smriti over here. First of all, welcome, guys. How are you guys doing?
Thank you so much.
Fantabulous. Thank you so much for having me.
Lovely. You know, musical series as a concept, अभी आगे के ज़माने में जाके, we talk about the next few years. We are going to be seeing a lot more of these because this is something that's there in trend and बहुत मेहनत लगता है because एक गाने में क्या होता है कि you put in that effort, it is only about that, but you need to maintain the synchronization throughout in the entire series. So Yash, I want to know your perspective on this. Did you feel the same way when it comes to, is your approach the same when it comes to a musical series or a song?
I'm so glad that you understand where I'm coming from and
That's a good question.
Wow, very, very nicely put. So yeah, man, it was definitely it's definitely not easy. And मैं गानों के नाम नहीं लूँगा, but गाने हैं ऐसे जिनके part 1, part 2, sequels और prequels आते हैं. But the problem with those songs is when you shoot them separately within, and there's a gap between them. So to match things and to show past and present or future, जो भी, it's very difficult, very, very difficult, frankly. And then of course match and when you've not thought of a storyline, आपको पहला part बनाने के बाद realize होता है कि चलो hit हो गया, part 2 बनाते हैं. But उस story के पहले और उस बाद में क्या था आपने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. आपने सिर्फ 1-4 मिनट की story बनाई थी. So that's definitely वो कभी भी उतना strongly मुझे लगता है निकल के नहीं आएगा. अगर आपको story connect करनी है तो, अगर सिर्फ दिखाना है तो अलग बात है. But अगर story connect करनी and एक गाना दूसरे गाने की तक आपको लेके, तो वो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा टास्क है. हमारा करने का यही था कि 3 मिनट 4 मिनट में कभी-कभी ना कोई भी चीज इतनी खूबसूरती से आप नहीं दिखा पाते हो क्योंकि आपको मोन्टाजेस दिखाने हैं और चीजें पूरी मिनट में दिखाना है, तो चीज आती है और चली जाती है. तो पर मुझे बहुत बार लगता है कोई गाना मैं देख रहा होता हूँ किसी और का भी, मुझे लगता है कि यार ये बहुत प्यारा मोमेंट था, इसको इतना कम क्यों दिखाया. If you go in the details, there's so much more you can show in a music video because it's a music video, it's a song. And so हमने सोचा क्यों ना उस एक स्टोरी को elaborate करते हैं, उसका पहले का पार्ट निकालते हैं कि पहले वहां तक उनका जब प्यार था तो क्या था, और आज जब है वो ऐसे हैं तो क्यों हैं, उसकी पूरी कहानी क्या है, उसके बाद क्या होगा. So it's a full like a story from the first till the end. हमने वैसे स्टोरी पहले लिखी, उसको 4 गाने मिले कहानी को, और फिर उसको राइट किया, हर गाने की कहानी अलग करके. It was a good I think 4 month 5 month process, 6 months I would say in total लग गया हमें करते कराते. जब तक हम लोग शूट पे निकले, हम जुलाई में हमने शूट किया है, 6 महीने लग गए रिलीज होने में, और 6 महीने पहले 1 साल ऑलमोस्ट इसमें चला गया हमारा. But crazy experience, so much to learn, so much crazy memories. A small team going in there and doing some crazy things for 6-8 days, good 6-8 days. किया है, बहुत शूट किया है. शूट को कभी शूट जैसा लगने नहीं दिया, thanks to our actors. They were super cool and adjusting with us. They were adjusting with us now and then for small little things also. So I think in total crazy experience. Yes, like the question was definitely not easy to do it. A lot of people will be doing this now from here onwards. Definitely.
Trend तो बनेगा भाई. Trend तो बनेगा.
The good part is
so for sure.
We are the ones who started it. So हम पहला बनेगा. Definitely बहुत बनाने वाले बहुत अच्छा भी बनाएंगे. अब हमारे लिए है कि अगला कब बनाते हैं और इससे कितना बड़ा बनाते हैं और कैसे करते हैं वो
हमारा. You mentioned this very interesting point कि अब जाके और भी बनेगा, of course, but when you are starting something ना, वो experiment का factor जो है, when you don't really know whether it's going to work out or not. So I want to know the actor's perspective on this, Priti. When you're working, say for example in a TV show, you have a lot of time initially to break the ice and get to know your co-actor a lot more, but वो music video में नहीं होता. 3-4 मिनट का है, शायद हार्डली कुछ हफ्ते का शूट रहेगा, उसमें you got to do it फटाफट and leave and come back.
1 से 1.5 दिन 2 दिन at max.
हाँ, 1 से 2 दिन. So exactly that's what he's talking about. So that's like literally everything at maybe हम लोग we talk about 4G and 5G. That's I think 10G speed that you're talking about. So You know, you got to tell me this thing. How well did you know Harshad before this? Because series ke time pe you also as an actor are kind of unsure what to expect or what not to. Did you have any inhibitions before? Kya tha? What was working around in your mind at that point of time? I'm really curious to know.
I never have any inhibitions about anyone who's opposite me. That is me.
Yeah.
I never sign any project. I've done television. This is my music video. I just debuted. My first debut film, Cash, is on Hotstar. That has come. I never bother to ask who's opposite me because that is the maker's perspective. So that is not my job. My job is to do my part 100% and make sure that whatever part that I'm playing and the person who's opposite me, we crack the chemistry. So that's my first thing. I've never had inhibitions about anyone. Secondly, about Harshad, when you're saying I didn't know him, I actually did not know him, and Harshad also did not know me. So as he googled me, I googled him, and we both googled each other. And yes, and when I had spoken to Harshad for the first time, and हमारे पहले call में we were so comfortable with each other, and he's a talkative guy, I'm a talkative girl, and we started to talk, and he's a reserved guy and I'm a very reserved girl. So I think so we both just clicked, and on set and by the time we reached the set, so I met him for the first time at the airport, you know, when we were flying to the place. These guys were already there in north part of India. So तो हम एयरपोर्ट में मिले और मैं एयरप्लेन में सो गई, फिर मैं उठी, फिर हमारी 8 घंटे की जर्नी थी टू रीच द स्पॉट, टू रीच द होटल। वो 8 घंटे वी बॉन्डेड, खाना वाना खाया, गप्पे वप्पे मारी, गाने वाने सुने, so एकदम instantly we clicked, and what you see on screen, and a lot of people are talking about the chemistry that Harshad and Smriti have on screen, and you know, which was required. So we are playing a character so well. So I never really felt anything. I had no inhibitions. I completely enjoyed it, and also I give the credit to my co-actor Harshad. I give the credit to my director Suyash and Jay, and I give the credit to the entire team, because how एक तो आप अपने में स्वयं में कंफर्टेबल हैं, हाँ, बट दूसरे भी आपको कंफर्टेबल फील कराते हैं। होता है ना, आपके घर में कोई अतिथि आता है तो आप उसको कितना कंफर्टेबल फील कराएं। So the team of Aakhri Mulaqat made me feel so comfortable. Zero inhibitions, and I completely enjoyed myself shooting.
Wonderful. You know, Suyash, I want to know your perspective on something which is really interesting. You know, we talk about trends, right? This song, this series, I hope it makes a trend कि आगे जाके भी बनेगा. But if we're talking about trends, one trend that's particularly working in the music video space is either you cast people who are recently seen in some reality show, or you have real life couples on screen, you know. But here, जैसा कि स्मृति ने कहा, they didn't know each other, and you are experimenting with something which is not really done before. So was it more of a conscious effort to have two people? ऐसा कुछ नहीं था क्या? I think your reaction says it all.
Nothing at all. It is, everything has happened. Like for me also, it was a shock that it's happening with me, and you know, with us, turning out and shaping out. ऐसा कोई सी जो रियलिटी शो वाला वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, a lot of people, yes, they're following it, and I think it's working for them.
It is working well. It's working wonderfully.
Whatever said and done, it is working for them at the end. What matters. Me, because I'm from TV, and what TV actors are capable of. It's not even funny when I mean it. TV actors are, you know, people who the ones who does only films. If they come and be on a TV set for a week, वो या तो अपने बाल नोच या तो डायरेक्टर के नोच लेंगे. It's not even human to see the way TV actors work, because वो जो साइकिल, जो मशीन बन जाता है ना टीवी एक्टर, और जो इमोशंस कंट्रोल की जब चाहे आंसू टपका लिया, वो इतना आसान हो जाता है ना टीवी एक्टर्स के लिए एक पॉइंट के बाद जाके, और एक पॉइंट के बाद जाके वो सूख जाते हैं क्योंकि आप इतना रो चुके होते हो टीवी में. But I think these two actors are the ones who kept themselves very अलग से थोड़ा सा बच के, बहुत काम नहीं किया है, सिर्फ अच्छा काम किया है, and fantastic actors, both of them. If you ask me today that two names, two best actors that television has is Harshad and Smriti, definitely. I'm not even saying that she's here. I mean it, and that's the reason I call her every time when I have something good. And that's how. So when I wrote the character, character was too strong a guy, very well built guy, lazy, दाढ़ी, smoke cigarette पीता रहता सारा दिन, but he's there for something like a dream project of his. वो पैसे वाले घर से है, सब छोड़ के आके गांव में कहीं बस गया, सिर्फ वहाँ के जो locals हैं उनके लिए कुछ करना चाहता है, एक वैसा सा character. So Harshad bhai ka, before I called him, I scrolled his Instagram and I saw last 3 pictures of his, and I just met him once at Karan bhai's party. So I met him up and I remember this is me Suya. She's like, yeah, I have your number saved. मैंने कहा भाई ऐसे ऐसे चीज बना रहा हूँ, एक म्यूजिकल सीन है, मेरी स्टोरी लिखी हुई है, मैं ही डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे ही गाने हैं, सब कुछ सोच लो, मैंने मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा if you hear me out. तो he's like, सुना? तो I said, फोन पे ही सुना दूं? Like, हाँ सुना. So I narrated him for 10-15 minutes and he loved it so much that he said a yes that moment only, but he said कल मिलते हैं, but एक बारी official जाते हैं चीजों पे, and we'll take it forward. So but last thing again before cutting the call, he said, but we are doing. So
that's a lot of assurance.
I couldn't believe that Harshad has said yes to me, and without even asking anything else कि क्या रिलीज है, क्या हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं. I told him कि मैं ये बस अपने लिए बना रहा हूँ, मुझे बनाना है, and बहुत बड़ा है. So जब मैंने फोन रखा, I looked at my partner Jay and I'm like, boss, हर्षद ने हाँ बोल दिया भाई. So like what? ऐसा हाँ, हर्षद ने हाँ बोल दिया. Like तो अभी? तो मैंने कहा अभी लड़की ढूंढनी. So he's like, so Jay again has worked with Smriti, and both of us, he worked all three worked before. So Jay and I, we looked at each other like, Smriti. तो मैंने उसको Jay को देखा, मैंने कहा Smriti done. तो मैंने कहा पर उसको डन हमारे लिए डन है, पर मुझे उससे
उसको पूछना पड़ेगा.
तो पूछूं मैं. तो स्मृति तो तुम्हें तो नहीं मना करेगी ना? मैंने कहा भाई मना नहीं करेगी, बट काम भी तो अच्छा होना चाहिए ना, उसको काम समझ आएगा तो ना. बट आई वाज नॉट, बिकॉज़ वो जो कैरेक्टर लड़की का था वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर लिख गया था, एंड मैंने स्मृति का सारा काम देखा है, आई वाज मेंशनिंग दैट बिफोर आल्सो. सो मुझे ये पता लेकिन अभी तक ये कैरेक्टर नहीं प्ले किया है, तो उसको अगर मैं कुछ नया, कुछ अच्छा मैं उसको प्रेजेंट करूंगा, तो शी डेफिनेटली विल से यस, बिकॉज़ दैट्स व्हाट शी wants, that's what she looks in the project. I was quite confident when I called her and I briefed her and मैंने बताया Harshad is doing it, and like she said she did not know, she googled, and then मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रेस था. I was adding it then कि मुझे बहुत, क्योंकि इतने वो दोनों कैरेक्टर्स के बीच में प्यार नहीं है, बट इतना प्यार है कि वो कैसे सिर्फ वो दोनों के चेहरे पे ही दिख सकता है, और कोई बॉडी लैंग्वेज में, अदरवाइज आप ऑन द फेस कुछ दिखाई नहीं सकते हो, सो कैसे उन दोनों के बीच में जब तक वो केमिस्ट्री नहीं होगी वो आपको मिलेगा ही नहीं. तो मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस था कि ये दोनों जब रास्ते में आ रहे थे कि ये लोग बॉन्ड हो जाएं, उनके बीच में बातें हो जाए, बिकॉज अगले 6 दिन मुझे ही कैमरे पे रह के सपना हमें निकलवाना है, तो कैसे होगा. बट द मोमेंट दे केम इन, दे देयर, एंड वी सैट फॉर आई थिंक 1 or 2 hours before wrapping up the night, and next day shoot था हमारा. And I think I was pretty before we went on set, because मुझे दिख गया था कि they're talking, they're happy, they're giggling, they're talking. There's a conversation happening. It's not for the sake of it. बहुत जरूरी होता है. Myself as an actor, अगर मैं on set अपनी को एक्टर से अगर मैं बात ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैं शायद भी कर पाऊंगा कोई भी, because मैं थोड़ा हूँ वैसा, मेरी प्रॉब्लम है. So मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस रहता है. But like I said, they were brilliant and they've done that, amazing stuff.
Thank you.
All is well that ends well. So I think that was it. अगर intent सही था, then it worked out that way.
Exactly.
Last question, Smriti, before I let you guys go, would be that he mentioned this very interesting point about TV actors and their psyche when they're working in TV shows. Like they have the ability to play literally any emotion. The graph that I'm talking about, sad, happy, it really fluctuates to a great extent in TV. You want to say something, Suyash?
I'm saying in just one day, you start off with you cry to
exactly.
lunch,
Exactly.
नया सीन आ गया, आपको वही स्क्रिप्ट याद करनी है, आपको शाम का टेलीकास्ट भी जाना है, तो टेप रनर वहीं से सेट से लेके टेप पर भागेगा चैनल और वो आएगा. So it's unbelievable how it's and it's been done.
It's actually surreal.
चल रहा है यार.
Yeah, it's actually surreal, so that's what I'm talking about. But as far, so the ability was never the question for TV actors or people who do TV. मेरे को particularly ये term पसंद नहीं है, TV actors. Actors are actors, TV or whatever medium. But इनको कहा जाता है TV actors, So I am not really particularly fond of this thing, but because you have multiple mediums now, you talk about OTT, you talk about this booming space of music videos and all. A lot of actors who probably weren't getting their due earlier just because of television. The medium has increased, so that's why the audience has increased. And now you see some lovely transitions happening from TV to movie, which wasn't really the case earlier. Stereotype किया जाता था उनको कि नहीं यार ये TV actor है, actress है, इसको नहीं ले सकते. Do you see this change as a welcoming move going down in the near future, maybe say in the next 3 to 4 years? What's your perspective on that?
See, personally, I have never faced it. And for that, again, I
think you're really lucky in that department because a lot of people have,
yes, they do.
Something
but
like
then I would like to credit myself for that because I never really pitched myself as a TV actor. I have done 4 shows in a span of 10 years in the TV industry. तो मैंने break ज़्यादा लिए हैं और काम कम किया है.
Quality over quantity.
चारों जो shows हैं, करोल बाग, सुबरी, नित्ती सी खुशी, दिल संभल जा ज़रा, completely different. So I never pitched myself like that. I've never done an out and out commercial television show. And so that was my pitching. That was how I thought I'm going to project myself and my career graph, which I very wisely planned and whatever. And God has been very kind. So I never felt like that. Even for my first film, जो Cash release हुई है, Vishesh Bhatt, he's known to launch faces. So to show the so much of trust, it's very kind of him. And मुझे बताया गया था कि आदित्य धर जो director है, he had seen my audition and he remembered me from 3 years ago. And he had in fact said, this girl is very good, give her a chance. So very kind of these people too. So I think so. The question is more for them. They did not bracket you as a TV actor, as a music video actor, or as a film actor. They saw you as an actor. So when makers see you as an actor, that's what you said, is that what artists like us are looking for. And when that happens, everything falls into place. And as I mentioned, I'll take the liberty to say that I'm an artist. Like how Suyash is an artist, he's an actor, he's a singer, he's directed these Aakhri Mulaqat, so he's an artist all over. Similarly, I act, I write, I've directed, I give voiceovers, I've been an RJ. So please see us as artists and not just someone who comes on the your television screen and is just limited to that. So that is all that I have to say. And coming back to your question again, आपने बोला ना कि अभी OTT platform का boom हो रहा है. So the thing what has happened is जब competition होता है, जब competition पनपता है, तो performance graph बढ़ता है. तो जैसे OTT का boom आया है, सब actors ने they pulled up their socks and they're doing better and better. So अगर मैं TV actors जैसा आपने जो question पूछा, they have pulled up their socks. They're doing much better, acting wise, look wise, so that they get other venues and platforms to perform. So I think so everything is complementing everything. So we are in a good space, and I really hope जिसको जो चाहिए they get their platform and perform. But they get to perform.
Absolutely, and I think I really love that point where you mentioned about artists. Who said that if you are jack of all trades, you can't be master of all? You can be master of all at the same time as well.
Absolutely.
All the best to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
Very insightful conversation. All the best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Man. And thank you.
I missed out what you said. I think there was some network glitch.
One of the best interviews we've had in these days. We genuinely had fun. We spoke. I think it was fun.
Yeah,
it was
absolutely, and all hard conversations. Absolutely.
That's what matters.
Looking forward to being in touch. Thank you so much.
And hard conversations.
Bye. God bless.
Thank you. God bless. Bye.